Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on Young Studio for the YouTube channel. As you see, this is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and I want to play a game with my Xbox controller with this. How I can do this? Okay, to do this you need to have your beautiful Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Secondly, you need to have a beautiful Samsung Galaxy, a beautiful Xbox controller. Okay, and after this you need absolutely to have the box of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 because into there something that I want to use. Okay, let's start to take before these things a USB connector into this box. Let's open this box right now, my friend. Get ready. Okay, let's go. Purge. Okay, thank you. Open. It's open. Wonderful. Open. Okay, beautiful. It's not all. Open again. Take this again. Alright. Okay, as you see too, there are two USB connector. I want this because I can connect the USB into, as you see, is a USB connector. Look at. Connect. Wonderful. Okay, working. You can take this because you can connect this. Okay, thank you. All right, now we continue. Let's go now to take my beautiful Xbox controller to make also the unboxing about this. Get ready. Okay, open this, the beautiful box right now. Thank you. Okay, it's here. Okay, unboxing. Look at my beautiful USB controller. Wow, wonderful. Okay, take this. Wonderful. As you see, it's good. Test. Wonderful. And now you can take your beautiful USB connector from the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and connect your beautiful USB into. Look at now. Wonderful. Beautiful. Okay, well, my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 now. Before taking this, you need to connect your beautiful phone, okay, to your beautiful USB lock screen. Unlock. Wonderful. And get ready, my friend. Get ready. Look at all of this. Okay, wonderful, beautiful. Okay, now get ready to wow, look at this. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. What do you think? Wow. Okay. Look at, wonderful. Okay, now get ready to localize your gameplay. Okay, gameplay to test this. Okay. Look at here. Let's go to localize my game. Okay, I see BB Racing game. This is a beautiful game. Get ready. Click on play. Volume. Okay, wonderful. Touch. Wonderful. Beautiful. As you see, you can play your game quickly, easily. Do this your screen. Let me to do something. Okay, let's go. Okay. As you see, it's so great. Wonderful. Okay. Play. Now, connect your beautiful USB connector to your beautiful USB from the beautiful iPhone, this beautiful Xbox controller, and connect to your beautiful phone. As you see, the signal. Can you see this? Nothing. Disconnect again your beautiful USB connector and connect again. Look at. Nothing. Okay, when you click, you can see. Look at. Okay, all right, try to connect again. Okay, wonderful. Okay, nothing on my screen. Let's go. Do this. Disconnect before. Finish this test before. Let's go. Let's go. Finish this test before. Wow. Where are you going? Stop this. Connect again. Look at. Nothing. No answer. Oh. Why? I don't know. Disconnect again. Connect again. Connect here. Look at. No answer. Nothing into my screen. Okay. This is the first test. Wow, nothing. Why nothing? I don't know. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me to test this game with another phone. I want to test with another phone or the problem with USB RKJ. Okay, after I will do this. Let's go. Okay, do this. Nothing. Okay, home screen. Connect again. Okay, nothing. All right. I will try this after again the next test. Thank you. Subscribe today.